Namaste, myself JVN Professor KK Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss about the formation, storage and secretion of thyroid hormone. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the structure of thyroid glands, action of the thyroid glands and regulation of the thyroid glands. Now, formation, storage and secretion of the thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland is the only endocrine gland that store its secretory product in large quantity. सिर्फ अकेला एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड है जो अपनी सिक्रीशन को ज़्यादा अमाउंट के अंदर स्टोर करके रखता है. नॉर्मली अबाउट 100 डे सप्लाई. सिंथेसिस एंड सिक्रीशन ऑफ T3 and T4 occurs as follow. We can see this diagram, and with the help of this diagram we will start to explain by point first, that is the iodide trapping. You can see clearly at the lowermost bottom of the diagram. First point is the iodide trapping. Thyroid follicular cells trap iodide ions by actively transporting them from the blood into the cytosol. As a result, thyroid gland normally contain most of the iodide in the body. ठीक है. Second point, synthesis of thyroglobulin. While the follicular cells are trapping iodide ions, they are also synthesizing thyroglobulin. Thyroglobulin TGB से हम इसको डिनोट करते हैं. Thyroglobulin, a large glycoprotein that is produced in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, modified in the Golgi complex and packed into the secretory vesicle. ठीक है. कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. मॉडिफिकेशन गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स कर रहा है और पैकिंग किस में हो रही है? सेक्रेटरी वेसिकल्स के अंदर. ठीक है. द वेसिकल देन undergo exocytosis which release TGB into the lumen of the follicle. Now come on the third point, oxidation of iodide. Some of the amino acid in TGB are tyrosine that will become iodinated. However, negatively charged iodide ions cannot bind to tyrosine until they undergo oxidation. Oxidation यानी कि removal of electron. Oxidation to iodine. Iodide का oxidation होकर के convert into the iodine. As the iodide ions are being oxidized, they pass through the membrane into the lumen of the follicle. Come on the fourth point, iodination of tyrosine. As iodine molecules form, they react with tyrosine that are part of thyroglobulin molecules. Binding of one iodine atom yield monoiodotyrosine, and a second iodination produces diiodotyrosine यानी कि T2. The TGB with attached iodine atom is sticky material that accumulate and is stored in the lumen of the thyroid follicle is termed colloids. Point fifth, coupling of T1 and T2. During the last step in the synthesis of thyroid hormone, though T2 molecules join to form T4 and one T1 and one T2 join to form T3. कि दो T2 मोलिक्यूल ज्वाइंट होके T2 plus T2 T4 और एक T1 दो 2 ज्वाइन होकर के T3 की फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है। पॉइंट नंबर 6, पिनोसाइटोसिस एंड digestion of colloids. Droplet of colloids re-enter follicular cells by pinocytosis and merge with the lysosome. Digestive enzymes in the lysosome break down the TGB, cleaving off molecules of the T3 and T4. अलग अलग ब्रेक डाउन कर देता है उनका। Point 7, secretion of thyroid hormone. Because T3 and T4 are lipid soluble, they diffuse through the plasma membrane into interstitial fluid and then into the blood. T4 normally is secreted in greater quantity than T3. T4 ज़्यादा quantity, but T3 is several times more potent. Moreover, after T4 enter a body cell, most of it is converted to T3 by removal of 1 iodine. ठीक है, T4 भी बाद में T3 के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. Then the last point, 8th, transport in the blood. More than 99% of both the T3 and T4 combined with transport protein in the blood, mainly thyroxine binding globulin TBG. This is the all about the steps in the synthesis and secretion of the thyroid hormone. This session is powered by digital version 2 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.